Hi, I'm Daniel Castillo from Bioprinter. And in today's video, we are going to see how to install the SynChip system on this Epson XP-2200 printer. If you want to see the advantages of this system, we've provided a link above to another video where we explain it in more detail. To perform the procedure, we will need a computer or laptop with Windows operating system, internet connection, the SynChip key from Bioprinter, the firmware and activation programs, a USB cable to connect the printer to the computer. Connect the power cable but do not turn on the printer. Connect the USB cable to the printer and the other end to the computer. Now we need to prepare the printer to load the new firmware. To do this, press the following button sequence: first, stop button; second, color copy; third, Wi-Fi; fourth, power button. Hold them down until the printer lights stay on like this. Next, go to the Bioprinter website, where you can purchase the key and download the firmware and activation programs. Run the firmware file and follow the installer steps. Click Start to begin loading the firmware. When the printer lights flash rapidly and continuously, it means the process is complete. At this point, press the Stop button, and the printer will turn off. Turn the printer back on. Go back to the computer and run the activation program. Click the button that says Activate Online, and in the pop-up window, enter the key you purchased and click OK to complete the activation process. You'll see that the printer restarts automatically. Now we have installed the SynChip or Chipless system in the printer. From now on, the ink levels will always be full, and we will never have cartridge recognition problems again. Very important. Never update the printer's firmware, because if it is updated by mistake, the benefits of the SynChip system will be lost. But don't worry, because with the recovery key, we can restore the printer with the SynChip system. So, don't forget to save the recovery key that is generated at the time of activation. And that's it for today's tutorial. We hope you found it interesting. Thank you very much for joining us in this video, and we look forward to seeing you in our next tutorial. Bye.
You break me down, you build me up, believer, believer. When you bring me down, you build me up, believer, believer.